made it to Havasu. We're just at a park and made some breakfast. Seasoned potatoes with a tofu scramble and some toast. Good morning, friends. We slept wonderfully last night. Now I woke up and we're making some waffles. Kim is editing some video, so we're getting a bit of work done. And we got coffee, of course. So we'll keep you updated on our day. We might head into Lake Havasu and get in the water.
We are just gonna be paddleboarding most of the day.
Spending some time in the sun and by the water.
Yeah. It's pretty cute out here. Spines.
Surveillance drones. On our way! On our way back to the campsite.
Tonight, we got chicken parm again because we love it. But it's fine.
It's our favorite.
And cheers to 1 year with Penelope. Woo! Hello guys. And we made it! 3 hours later, around the whole island. Maybe 4, I don't know. It was a long time. And everything's still here.
We got into our themes.
Ish. Just a brand new creation we've made that's gonna go into Ty's food truck.
Yeah, what's on the menu tonight?
Doritos with angel hair spaghetti, I guess you would call it. With spinach artichoke dip right on top.
Oh yeah, it's a flavor blast.
Flavor blast.
Check this reaction out. Ooh, messy but delicious. Look at that.
Yum. Delish.
Oh yeah, some typical stoner shit here.
And we're not even stoned.
Damn it. Yum. Yesterday, while we were paddleboarding, we got pulled over. There were a couple sheriff boats out on the water, and so they saw and asked if we had life jackets with us, and we didn't, of course. They told us that we have to have life jackets, and normally they'd make us go to shore, but they just let us go, which was nice. And so we came to Goodwill today, and we were able to find 2 old but good life jackets.
We're not gonna be wearing them, so it doesn't really matter. They're just gonna be sitting on there, but
they were less than like $12, $13 together.
Yeah.
So
that's a steal.
Yeah, for life jackets, that's a really good deal.
So now we're just gonna get this video uploaded and then go back to the beach.
hang out on the water again, maybe slackline, paddleboard, and just kick back.
I got bit by a fire ant. I hope I don't freaking have an allergic reaction.
It's just a little bite mark.
I feel it in my lungs. I feel it on the inside. It hurts. It's like a muscle. It's like swollen or sore.
It's a sting. It's gonna be pretty solid, probably.
It doesn't feel like a normal sting or bite though.
You've never been bit by one of these?
I've been bitten by ants, and I've been stung by a bee. Feels different. It hits the inside.
The inside, huh? We'll keep you posted on whether or not we gotta take her to the hospital. Or call the ambulance.
Shut up!
Headed back to our campsite. Made a wonderful dinner here. We have chili potatoes covered in fucking queso. And then Cam is doing a low-carb chick patty here. Smothered in ranch, of course. We are them saucy motherfuckers. And I just did a little chicken sandwich, boyga.
Boyga. Boom.
Yeah, shit's bomb. We excite.
We spent another day at the beach, but it's Halloween, and since we really love the holiday but don't know anybody out here, we're just gonna grab some alcohol, maybe
Hit a bar.
And if not, then we'll just end up getting drunk by ourselves because it's a holiday.
What I do for a daily job is kick fucking ass.
Hell yeah!
And I look pretty, but don't let it get a trip up.
Don't do that dirty work.
Because
Don't do that dirty work.
I want you guys to all look out for your friends. And don't let the glamour trick you on your old boy flips.
We obviously didn't end up drinking by ourselves on Halloween, which it was a blast.
Yeah, Halloween was super fun.
We met some super cool people, but
Yesterday was rough. We had spent the whole day just recovering from being hungover.
literally did nothing.
Yeah, so we're not going to be drinking like that for a long, long time. We were planning on heading out of Havasu yesterday, but we decided to just spend it as a day to kind of get back to ourselves. So yeah, we're going to head out to Lake Mojave today, and then we're going to be on our way.
To lake number 2.
Number 2. We made it to a new campsite on Lake Mojave. It's beautiful, but we're gonna end our vlog here.
This week's vlog.
Yeah, and thanks for watching.
And see you
next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Appreciate you. It's gonna be good.
Move out of the way!
We're very
You have to lick around it. I know you're Mormons. You don't know how to take this.
Sure.